Kinda funny how I can't seem to get away from you. It's almost like you don't want me to. You've got a cold heart and the cold hard truth. Got a bottle of whiskey, but I got no proof that you showed up tonight in that dress just to mess with my head. So much for so long, out of sight, out of mind. Girl, you're looking so good, it's driving me out of mind. Oh, you're breaking my heart, baby, you're playing hard to forget. Hey everybody, it's Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Hard to Forget by Sam Hunt. On the guitar, this is his new song. So before I get into it, I want to say a couple things. Please subscribe if you haven't already. So you can get notified when I come out with new videos if you like this video. And then also to all of you who have already subscribed, thanks a ton. I really appreciate it. Also, I just want to know, would you guys like me to ever do covers of these songs? If not, that's fine. Or yes, either way, just let me know. But just yeah, I thought it might be kind of fun. But let me know what you'd like me to do in the comments. So, but let's get right into it. So this is a great song by Sam Hunt. It's in standard tuning, and you have a capo on the 2nd fret, okay? So the main chords that we're going to use, and I'm going to teach you how to play I want to say kind of weird little intro, even though I like it, but I'm going to show you how to play that, and I'm going to show you how to play everything in the song, okay? So the first part, there stands the glass that will ease all my pain. So that part you're using D, G, D, A. Okay, so you're going to do A as well. So it's, there stands the glass. And this part's slower, right? So it's glass, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. So you're doing D, to G, D. Let's see. Then you do G, and then after brain is where you go to A. Okay. It's my first one today. That's D. So it's, there stands the glass that will ease all my pain, that will settle my brain. It's my first one today. There stands the glass that will ease all my pain. Okay, so you see that? You play it very much slower. And then when you go to the second round through on that intro part, it's there stands the glass that will ease all my pain, that will settle my brain. It's my first one today. Okay, so you end it on A. All right, so you play it faster the second time through in that part. And then just remember that chord progression, D, G, D, G, D, A, D. And then the second time it's D, G, D, G, D, A, D, A. Okay, because then you're getting ready to go into the first verse, and that's where he goes A. All right, so he goes, I saw your sister, and then the strumming pattern is that faster one throughout the rest of the song. I saw your sister at work, I saw your mama at church, I'm pretty sure I saw your car at the mall. Okay, so that's D, and it's the same strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Oh, sorry, I played the wrong chord there, but down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so it's D, G, A, D. And you do that same thing. So you play that twice in the first verse, okay? Then the pre-chorus, you're going to do B minor, and you're going to use F minor, okay? F sharp minor. Sorry about that. So B minor, and then F sharp minor. And if those are hard for you, just play them as power chords, okay? So you can, and so you don't have to put this one down and stuff. It sounds better if you do, right? B minor, F sharp minor, okay? So that's, if you can see what I'm doing on here, it's just, you're supposed to bar it, but you don't have to, all right, if it's hard. So you're just gonna play second fret, you're gonna bar from the A string down, and then you're gonna do your ring finger is gonna go on the D string on the 4th fret, and your pinky finger, this is for B flat, and then you're gonna do your pinky on the 4th fret on, and it's 4th fret in relation to the capo, okay? So you're gonna put, I think that's right, 1, 2, 3, 4, yep. So you're gonna do, and then you're gonna put your pinky on the G string on the 4th fret, okay? And then this one goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, okay? So that's B flat, okay? Then F sharp minor is the same thing, but you just move your hand up a little bit, up 1 set, okay? So, and again, you can just play it as a power chord. So I'm not using this finger, I'm not barring. It won't sound quite as good, but if you're just plucking the top 3 strings, that's fine. So anyway, F sharp minor. Okay, so it's kind of funny how, that's where you play that, okay? So B flat is, it's kind of funny how I can't seem to get away from you. So that's B flat, F sharp minor, G. G's on get, so get away from you. And then D is you. Then G, it's almost like B flat, you don't want me to. And then you go to A. So then it goes G. You can play this G or this G. Just do whatever's ever easier for you to switch with. It might be easier for you to go from that D, from D to G. It's almost like G, B flat, you don't want me to. 2 is on A. Then you're gonna let it ring at the end, okay? And then when you get to the chorus, you're gonna do, it's gonna be you've got a, okay? So now you're gonna play it fast again. Remember, I slowed it down a little bit so you could see, but you're gonna play it fast here. So it's you've got a cold, and then cold, do D, cold heart, and then G, got a bottle of, so you go D, G, D, A, B, B flat, A, D, A, okay? So then you're gonna start over. So much for so long, out of sight, out of mind. Okay, so then it goes, it's the same thing, D, G, D, A. Okay, you've got so much for so long, out of sight, out of mind. Girl, you're looking so good, it's driving me out of mind. Oh, you're breaking my heart, baby, you're playing hard to forget. Okay, so you see that quick change right there? So you're gonna go from, baby, you're playing, so G, you're playing hard. So it's GAD right here, G, you're playing hard to forget. Okay, then you do A. All right, so that's gonna be the chorus and the first and second verses, okay? Then, and the pre-chorus actually. So remember that pre-chorus is B flat, F sharp minor, G, D, G, B minor, A. Okay? And then at the end, right before you go to the chorus, you do, okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, mute. Okay, and you can let it ring or something, but I think it sounds better if you mute it. And people seem to be really impressed. So if you're a new guitarist, whenever you mute, people think you're like pretty good. So that's a good little tip for you. The second chorus is the same. Then the bridge, if you don't know why it's called the bridge, it's because it connects the beginning of the song to the end. So the bridge in this song is just kind of like a repeat of the intro, really. So, but it's not a slower one, it's a faster one. So it's, again, it's, there stands the glass, that will ease all my pain. Okay, so you do the same thing there. It's D, G, D, G, D, A. Okay, but you're just gonna play, because you're just playing through it once for the bridge, so you just kind of end on A. And then when you go to the last chorus, all right, it's there, you're playing it way less guitar. So it's, you've got a cold heart and a cold hard truth. So it's the same strumming pattern, but you're going to play it softer for the first like half of the chorus, because that's what they do. They take out a lot of instruments and stuff. So it'll sound way better if you do that. You've got a cold heart hard and the cold hard truth. You got a bottle of whiskey, but I got no proof that you showed up tonight in that dress, just a mess with my head. So much for so. Okay, so you see that, so you play it louder as you go through that last chorus. Okay, then the outro is just going to be, oh honey, I'm falling apart, and you're playing hard to forget. And you can do that. They do. I don't know what they do for like the slide at the end, but you can just do a D chord, and you can just slide it up 2 frets, and then slide it back down. That'll sound pretty cool. So, okay, so you can just do that to end it. I think that's like a good easy way for the beginners out there. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions or anything, and it's been fun. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.